Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2016 Ford Ranger, stock number 6454. This ran from the 6th 2015 to the 4th 2022. It has a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Left front guard no dents, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mega tyre, rear tailgate 5 dents, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right rear door no dents, right front 18-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.